Hey guys, I'm Carlos and I'm from Two Modern Vegans. Alright, so today we got an amazing recipe for you guys. Today we're going to be making New York style vegan pizza. You guys are going to love this. This is the best vegan pizza that I've had hands down, and I'm not just trying to toot my own horn. This pizza is banging. It's super simple to make, it's super affordable, and it's quick and it's easy, okay? The thing that's gonna make this, that's gonna take this pizza to the next level is the way that we melt the cheese. The technique that we're gonna use to melt the cheese will take your pizza to the next level. Because a lot of times with vegan pizza, usually, you know, if you're vegan or if you're not vegan, if you ever try to use vegan cheese, you know that a lot of times that the cheese doesn't melt as well as a real cheese, and therefore the taste is not the same, texture is not the same, and although it can be good, there's always something missing. So we figured out a technique to make the cheese melt, and therefore it will take your pizza to the next level. Okay, I hope you guys are ready for this. You're gonna blow yourself away and anybody else that tastes this pizza. All right, let's get into this recipe, and here are the ingredients that you're gonna need. Alright guys, so we're going to start off with one vegan sausage, and we're just going to thinly slice it for the topping of our pizza. You're going to add about 1 tablespoon of oil to a pan, and then you're going to add each of the slices one by one to the pan on about medium heat, and you're going to top that with a pinch of oregano. Just be careful not to burn it. You don't want to overcook it too long, and you're just going to basically flip them halfway, and then you're going to pinch some more oregano on top. Now you're going to just dust a countertop with all-purpose flour. This way the dough does not stick when you're rolling it. And then you're also going to put a little bit of flour on your hands and then on the dough, so that again it doesn't stick to the rolling pin. And then all you're going to do is basically roll it out as much as you can in each direction, you know, like a circular direction, just like a pizza. And it should look something like that. And then you're going to put it to your pizza pan just like so, and you're basically just going to roll it continuously in a circle until you form your crust. Now obviously this is optional. If you already buy pre-made crust, you can kind of just skip this whole step, but the homemade one will taste slightly better. And now you're just going to add about 2 tablespoons of oil to a pan on medium heat and 8 ounces of vegan mozzarella. Now we used Violife cheese for this pizza, but you can use any mozzarella vegan cheese that's available to you. And then you're just going to continuously stir until the cheese melts down, okay? And then it should look something like this when it's completely melted. And now you're going to add about 3/4 a cup of pizza sauce to your pizza dough. Now you can add more sauce, you can add less sauce. It all just depends on how you want your pizza. This is about what we recommend though for New York style pizza. And then you're going to just spread the hot cheese across the pizza like so. And the reason why you want to do that is because it's going to spread. Now it's better if you do it while it's hot, because it'll spread easier. And then you're going to add the sausages to the top just like that. And when it comes out of the oven, it should look something like this. Now our pizza kind of bubbled up when it was hot because of the dough we used, so the cheese shifted a little bit. If you use another dough, or if you buy a store-bought one, it'll probably come out more perfect. And that's it guys. This pizza is so delicious. I promise you guys are gonna love it. And that's really it. Simple, affordable, and delicious. Until next time. Alright guys, I hope that you guys love this recipe. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button if you like the recipe. Consider subscribing. And also make sure you hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time we come out with a new recipe. Also, don't forget to check out our website at twomodernvegans.com. We have all our recipes written on that website, and sometimes we add recipes that we don't get a chance to make videos for. So be sure to check that out. Until next time, see you guys. Bye.